Register now.
Hey class, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khamma ghani to all of you. Welcome to today's class, and as you all know, this is your ICSE 10th in one shot, and we will be doing the amazing chapter, that is GST. Easy topic. We will be discussing this part, GST, goods and service tax. I will be completing the whole topic in this session. So once again, welcome to today's class, and let us start the class without wasting any more time, because you know now we have to be quick. In one short videos, in one session, we'll be completing the whole chapter. Mostly I will focus on the good questions, right? So what is GST? As you all know, so GST is a tax which is applicable on supplies of goods and services. Okay, it is an indirect tax, and it has been applicable, it is applied in India in place of various indirect taxes. Before this, there were various indirect taxes which were applicable in India, like VAT, excise. All those has been removed, and now on place of them, in place of them, now we have GST. Got it? So there were many sorts of taxes, so replaced them. We have replaced all of them with GST. And remember, in GST, the important thing is that for one of the important thing is that in GST we have different rates. Okay, all the parts, all the products are categorized in different rates. Those who are very much essential, those will be kept without any rates, like sugar, salt. All of them should be, all of them must be, should be able to use those parts, right? Then there are some other things like fruits. So these are like lower tax should be applicable because everyone needs them. But then there will be some things like movie tickets, okay, car. So all on all of these are luxury items, so on this the tax will be more. Got it? So the tax parts varies like that. Okay, so that is the whole part about GST. The main thing which will be required here in this, that suppose whatever is the GST percentage, suppose X percentage GST is applicable over here. Suppose X percentage GST is applicable over here. If I am doing the business within the same state, suppose right now I am in Bangalore, I am doing the business inside Karnataka region only, then whatever tax I will pay, it will be divided into two equal parts. Suppose I am say I am applicable, the on the sale X percentage of GST is applicable. So out of that X percentage, half of it will go to central government CGST, central GST, and half of it will go to state GST. If the business is being done within the state only. Got it? So suppose if within the state, suppose I am a seller, I am selling something and I have got, let's say, 5,000 rupees I have charged as GST, or I have received as GST. So out of those 5,000, 2,500 will go to the central government, 2,500 will go to the state government. But when the business is being done between the states, suppose from Karnataka to Rajasthan, we am doing some business, I am preparing something in Karnataka, I am selling it in Rajasthan. So I am doing interstate. In that case, where will you give this GST? Will you give it to the Karnataka government or will you give it to the Rajasthan government? Where will you give it? Right? So to avoid that confusion, we will say it will be IGST. It will come under IGST. The whole X percentage will go under IGST. That is integrated GST. What it is? Integrated GST. So it is integrated GST. It will go to the central government, and later central government will distribute it according to the needs of the states. Got it? That is the whole part about GST. That is what you should be careful about. Rest everything, GST is applicable on the selling price. Whatever price at which you are selling, on that GST will be applicable. Got it? So rate of GST varies from 0% to 28%. Got it? And different rate structures are also there. Got it? After that, one more thing which is there, that how much GST is payable for anyone. So for that, the concept is net GST, GST payable. So for GST payable, suppose some A has sold something to B and B is selling same thing to C. Okay, let's say A has collected rupees 20 as GST. Who has paid rupees 20 as GST to A? Obviously B has paid. B has given rupees 20 to A, which is now paid as GST. So this rupees 20 A will not keep with him. A will give it to the government. Government has got rupees 20. Now B has sold it further to C. Now C, suppose C has paid rupees 50 as GST. C has paid rupees 50 as GST. Okay, now here what happens is, by see, now B, you will think, okay sir, now B will give rupees 50 to the government. No, that is not true. B will not give rupees 50 to the government. See, this GST na, at the end is paid by the end user. Whoever is the end user, he or she, the consumer, end consumer will pay the GST. So here C has given rupees 50 as GST on some, say, some umbrella or some, say, TV, on a TV. B, suppose A is a wholesaler, B has bought a TV and B has paid rupees 20 as GST, which has gone to the government. So B has already paid rupees 20 on this TV and it has been given to the government. Now B is selling it to C. C is not selling it further, C will use it. So C has given rupees 50 as GST. Now B will not give 50 because B has already given rupees 20 to the government. By here na, in this previous transaction, B has already paid rupees 20 as GST. So now this part which B has already paid, that is called input GST, and the tax which rupees 50 which B has got upon selling it is called output GST. Okay, so input is when you buy something, whatever GST you pay is your input GST. When you sell something, whatever GST you get, that is your output GST. So now the net payable GST or the net GST payable by B will be output GST, whatever C has given, that minus what he has already paid, that is minus input GST. So B will pay 50 minus 20, that is B will only pay rupees 30 to the government. So now here you can clearly see by dekho, overall government wanted to collect what C has paid 50 from the for this TV. So government has got rupees 20 from A, rupees 30 from B. So it is useful in a way that every part, every step it is collected and the final price is being given by is paid by C only. Got it? So this is how your GST transactions will work. Okay, now let's look at some questions. First question is this: the selling price of a washing machine inclusive of GST is rupees 28,320. Okay, if the SGST is charged at the rate of 9% of the list price, find the GST paid. Okay, so now very easy. See, selling price, this 28,320, it is the selling price inclusive of GST. Be very careful. So that means, let us say let's say I can say ki selling price. Let's say selling price of this washing machine is, let's say, rupees X. So I can say on this X plus what is the rate? The SGST is 9%. Now remember, if SGST is given as 9%, I have told you both SGST and CGST. By IGST is when interstate. Within the state, both SGST and CGST will be applicable. So SGST is applicable at 9%. So CGST will also be there and that also will be 9%. Both will be equal. So net GST percentage will be what? How much? Total it will be 18%. So X plus 18% of X will be equal to the price inclusive of GST. Right? Take LCM. So 118x by 100 is equal to 28320. So X is equal to 28320 divided by 118 into 100. Okay, now you will be getting 236. Okay, and let's divide here. Okay, so 236, 24, 24,000. So the selling price of this washing machine is what? 24,000. So that is what we have got. Now what we have to find out, find the GST paid. How much GST is paid? So by beta, I know na GST paid is how much? GST paid here will be, sir, total price which was inclusive of GST is what? 28,320. So I can say, sir, GST paid will be equal to 28,320 minus 24,000, that is equal to 4,320. This much is the GST applicable on this washing machine. This is the GST applicable on this washing machine. Got it? This is how this question will be done. 4320. Let's go for the next question. Next question is this. Goods services are sold from Quota. Quota is in Rajasthan. Just to tell you the state. From Rajasthan to Mumbai. Mumbai is in Maharashtra. So it is interstate. So when we are doing interstate, there will not be any CGST, SGST something. Both will be together IGST. Okay, now remember, for the previous question, out of this 4,320, I can say, sir, 2,160 rupees will go under CGST and 2,160 rupees will go under SGST. Both will be exactly same. Okay, if you cannot see it over here, out of this 2,160 will be under CGST and half 2,160 will be under SGST. Remember this thing. Okay, now, so from Rajasthan to Maharashtra interstate for rupees 20,000, and then from Mumbai to Pune. So Mumbai to Pune within the state Maharashtra only. If the rate of GST is 12% and the profit made at Mumbai is rupees 5,000, find the net GST paid at Pune if the dealer at Pune is the end user. That means the person at the Pune is the end user. He is not selling it further. He will use that. So I have from Quota to Mumbai to Pune, right? So let's talk about from Quota to Mumbai. So by at Quota to Mumbai, the price is 20,000. Okay, rate of GST is 12%. So I can say GST paid here will be 12% of 20,000. So you are getting 2,400. Okay, so 2,400 has been collected here as GST. So that is the that is what the input GST for the dealer at Mumbai. Okay, now let's go for the second phase, that is Mumbai to Pune. That is Mumbai to Pune. So at Mumbai to Pune, what is happening, beta? From Mumbai to Pune, what is happening? The profit of 5,000 is there. Profit of 5,000 is being given over there. Okay, so I can say for the person at Mumbai here, the price which will be at which the Pune person, the price at which the Mumbai person is selling this, selling price will be 20,000 plus rupees 5,000. That is 25,000. So the GST will be on this part. Now out of this 20,000, 2,400. Now remember, 1,200 under CGST, 1,200 under SGST. Just to show you. Okay. So here the IGST, or here, sorry, made a mistake. Not here, because it is within the state. So it is total IGST. Okay. This is going under total IGST, integrated GST, because it is within the states. Here GST applicable will be 12% of 25,000. So this to this got cancelled. What you are getting? You are getting 3,000, na? Yes, rupees 3,000. So here rupees 3,000 is being paid as GST, right? So now that all is sorted. So now what the question is saying, find the net GST paid at Pune. So net GST paid at Pune is net GST paid at Pune. Remember, it is not saying net GST paid at Mumbai or wherever it is. No. Find the net GST paid at Pune if the dealer at the Pune is the end user. So the person at Pune, how much GST he has paid? Rupees 3000. So net GST at Pune is 3000. Net GST paid at Quota is rupees 2400. Net GST paid at Mumbai. So here, see, Quota person will submit 2400 to the government. The Mumbai person will submit rupees 600. So total 3000 they have got, but the dealer at Pune will submit 3000 to the has given 3000, which is the final end user. So he has paid the total tax, the final tax. Got it? The net GST payable at the end user at Pune is rupees 3000. Okay? Next question. Acha, before I move ahead, let me tell you one thing, that those who want to join Vedantu, you are more than welcome to join it. You are getting see here, you'll be getting 100% knowledge and you can score 100% marks. The best thing about Vedantu, the classes which are going to be held at Vedantu, the best thing is there will be unlimited live classes with fun and high level quizzes. Every class is filled with awesome quizzes. Okay, and you can attend unlimited live classes. Remember, no maximum point on the number of classes which you can attend. You can attend as many classes as you want. Okay, after that you can compete with students throughout the world. Very good thing is, when you are in a school or when you are in a city, studying in a city, your range is restricted to a proper city, only to that city only. Okay, you don't know how bright are the students outside your city, how are they performing, where do you stand. Vedantu gives you an opportunity to compete with students throughout the world, because they'll be having the students throughout the world, right? Then the next thing is interactive replays with live quizzes and leaderboards. Okay, there will be live quizzes, leaderboards, everything, and replays also. If you watch the replay of any class, there also you can attend the quizzes, so that you will feel like what you have learned, how much you need to improve, everything will be done. Okay, after that, premium downloadable content with handwritten notes of master teachers. Obviously, whatever we will write on the board, that whole notes you can download after the class. So you will remember what sir has told at what time, what I have told, what do you need to remember. All the part in teacher's handwriting, whatever you have seen during the class will be available to you. And in class doubt solving with your class teachers, they will be dedicated class teachers who will be taking care of your doubts, test in a regular interval of time, and assignments. Got it? Along with that, you will have 5000 plus micro courses and crash courses free for you. No need to pay anything extra. All this, remember, less is more at Vedantu. More classes, less price. Always. So to register here, you need to visit the link which is given in the description of this video, as well as it will be the pinned comment in the comment section. Just go there and apply this coupon code GPE Pro, and this will give you 20% off. This will give you 20% off. Got it? Now, next question. See, the next question is, a calculator manufacturing cost is rupees 900. Okay, so there's a manufacturer who is manufacturing calculator, and the manufacturing cost is rupees 900. GST is 18%. He manufactured 120 such calculators. He marked up each by 50% and sold to a dealer at a discount of 10%. Now see how bright is that manufacturer. So what he has done, the manufacturing cost is 900. What he has done, he has marked the price up by 50%. So I can say the marked price will be 900 plus increased by 15% of 900. So you will be getting 1350. This is the mark price, and then he is selling the dealer at a discount of 10%. Okay, so I will say the selling price will be whatever is the mark price minus the discount. So discount is 10% of the marked price. Right, yes sir, right. So 1350 minus 135, you have 1350 minus 135. So you'll be getting 1250 and 135, so 1215. This is the final selling price. Okay, so I can say he has got how many? 120 such calculators. So selling price of 120 calculators will be 1215 into 120. Okay, 0 at the end. 12 5 is 60, 0 power 6, 12 ones are 12, plus 6 is 18, power 1, 2 is 24, plus 1 25, power 2, 12 plus 2 14. Right, 1,41,800 is the price, total selling price. Now what they are saying, the GST is 18 percentage. Okay, the GST here is 18 percentage. So they are asking me, find the final price the dealer paid for the calculator. So this is the final price dealer paid for the calculators. Second thing, also find the total GST received by the state government. Now next thing which you need to understand is very important. Okay, okay, sorry, this is not the final price, this is the selling price. So final price will be this plus the tax na? So final price will be 1,45,800 plus the tax. Tax is how much? 18 percentage. So 18 percentage of this 145,800. Solve it, you will get a final price. Next question, see this calculation you can do. I am more interested in the second question. Second question, read carefully. It is saying find the total GST received by the state government. Remember the main thing, received by the state government. State government will receive only SGST. So they are only saying SGST. Here 18 percentage, if it is the rate, you can say 9 percentage goes under CGST, 9 percentage goes under SGST, half. So SGST, state government GST, will be 9 percentage of 1,45,800. Got it? This is what is the main part. So 9 into 1,548, if you multiply, is it correct? Calculation is correct. Let me check. 13122, yes, and this is the final price 1720440. Okay, so this is the final price over here when you calculate, and here 13122. So this is the main part. If they always remember, suppose if they would have told me find the total GST paid by the dealer, so in that case I will say 18 percentage. But since they have told received by the state government, so state government is getting only half, so 9 percentage. That was the important thing. Okay, let's go for the next question. Next question is this. A dealer in Meerut, he supplies goods and services worth rupees 15,000 to a dealer in Ratlam. Dealer B in turn supplies the same goods services to dealer C in Jabalpur at a profit of rupees 3,000. If the rate of tax under GST system is 18 percentage, find cost of goods and services to dealer C in Jabalpur, net tax payable by dealer B. Okay, now let's understand. We have a dealer A, dealer B, dealer C. Okay, A, B, C. Let's first talk about A to B. In A to B, okay, 15,000 to dealer B in Ratlam, and rate of tax is 18 percentage. Okay, so what we need to find out, cost of goods and services to dealer C in Jabalpur and net tax payable by dealer B. Okay, so here GST, how much it will be? It will be 18 percentage. 18 percentage means 18 by 100 times of 15,000, right? So you'll be getting 0, 18 5s are 90, 0 power 9. This is the GST. Okay, so here the input GST for B is rupees 2,700. Then they are saying कि भाई dealer C in Jabalpur at a profit of rupees 3,000. Profit of rupees 3,000. So when I go from B to C, the selling price becomes 15,000 plus 3,000, that is 18,000. So GST will be 18 percentage of 18,000. Two zeros to two zeros got cancelled. 18 into 18, 3240. So here rupees 3240. That is what we have got. Okay. Now what they are saying, let's read the question. First one, the cost of goods and services to the dealer C in Jabalpur. What is the cost of goods and services to dealer C in Jabalpur? So for dealer C in Jabalpur, he has paid rupees 18,000 plus this tax. So cost at Jabalpur or cost to the dealer C will be equal to 18,000 plus 3,240, which is equal to 21,240. Second question, net tax payable by dealer B. So net GST payable by dealer B will be output minus input. Output is 3240 minus 2700. So you will be getting how much? 3 and 2. Rupees 540. So net GST payable by dealer B will be rupees 540. Got it? This is how this question will be done. Got it? This is how it can be done. The only thing is when it is within the state CGST, SGST, you can write separately or you can do it together also. If it is suppose 3240, you can say sir 1620 is CGST, 1620 is SGST. Simple thing. Okay. Chalo, next question and the last question. Let us look at the last question. For a dealer A, the list price of an article is rupees 9,000, which he sells to dealer B at some lower price. Further, dealer B sells the same article to a customer at its list price at the rate of if the rate of GST is 18% and dealer B paid a tax under GST equal to rupees 324 to the government, find the amount inclusive of GST paid by dealer B. Now the main thing which you need to understand over here is that what they have told by dealer A is selling something to dealer B at some lower price than the list price. The marked price is rupees 9,000. So A has sold it to dealer B at some price lower than 9,000. He has reduced the price by something. How much we don't know. Further, B has sold the same article to a customer at its list price. That means B has sold it at rupees 9,000 only. Got it? If the rate of GST is 18% and the dealer B paid a tax under GST equal to rupees 324 to the government, find the amount inclusive of GST paid by dealer B. So I don't know one thing, that is how much amount at what amount B has bought the item from A. So I don't know A has reduced, how much amount A has reduced. So let us say A reduced the price by rupees X. Okay, so I can say this in this transaction, if A has reduced the price by rupees X, I can say the price when B has bought it will be 9,000 minus X. That will be the price, right? And B to C the price is 9,000. So this is what your selling price at each step. Now let's talk about GST. GST here 18% in both the cases. So it will be 18% of 9,000 minus X. And here 18% of 9,000. Correct? This is your input GST. This is your output GST. And they have given the net GST payable by the dealer by dealer B to the government is 324. So net GST for B is 324. So here the output minus input, if we'll do 18 by 100 into 9,000, output GST minus input GST is 18 by 100 into 9,000 minus X. Okay, this is equal to 324. Two zeros to two zeros got cancelled. So here you have got 18 nines are 162. So 1620. So here also minus 1620 and minus 18x by 100 is equal to 324. So this to this got cancelled. Okay, and sorry, negative into negative will become positive. Na? So negative into negative will become positive. So 18x by 100 is equal to 324. So x is equal to 324 by 18 into 100. So it will be 18 18s are. So it is 1800. That means the price was reduced by 1800. So what the question is asking? Find the amount inclusive of GST paid by dealer B. How much amount dealer B has paid inclusive of GST? So I got to know in this transaction from A to B. Okay, the selling price was A has reduced the price by 1800. So minus 1800, which is equal to how much? It will be equal to 7200. So GST here will be how much? It will be 18 percentage of 7200. This to this got cancelled, this to this got cancelled. You will get 1296, right? So final price payable by G will be 7200 plus 1296. So it will be equal to 692 plus 2 4 7 plus 1 8 rupees 8496. This is how this question will be done. Got it? So main thing, this question was good. If you will use some time, if you'll take some time to read the question carefully, you will get to know that net GST is given. So let's say that the price reduced by X rupees. So 9000 minus X here is the selling price, and in the second transaction 9000 is the selling price. I can calculate input tax and output tax in terms of X, solve them, I will get the value of X, everything will be sorted. So in this way you need to think about the variable. Got it? So this is all from my side in this class. As I have told you earlier, you can register for Vedantu's Pro subscription course, the link for which is mentioned in the description box, as well as it is the pinned comment in the comment section. You just need to go there. This will be the prices for 1 month. After applying the coupon code GPE Pro, the price for 1 month will be 2159, for 3 months 5599, for 6 months 9199. Got it? So here you can see beta that in this part 2159 which you are seeing, this is not the price for only one subject. This is the price for all the subjects: maths, physics, chemistry, biology, SST and English. Second thing, if you will see, for 6 months the price is around 9000. Around 9000. Okay. If you divide 9000 by 6, your price comes for 6 months, the price per month, that means for per month, if you take the course for 6 months, the price per month which you will be paying will be around 1500 something. And here if you take only for 1 month, the price you are paying is 2100 something. So you can clearly see the difference. The more number of months you will take, the price per month will be less. That is the best benefit. Okay, now suppose if you are calculating, if you are taking 6 classes every day, 6 to 7 classes, so in a month you can easily take 200 classes. So the price per class is as low as rupees 8. Got it? Which is way less than what you say, a packet of lace or anything, right? So very reasonable prices you will see compared to your school or anywhere you'll go, way below that. Got it? So do register for the Vedantu Pro subscription if you can. All of you will enjoy it, and trust me, all the good master teachers, they will take care of your knowledge, your whatever doubts you are having, that all will be sorted. Got it? So this is all from my side. Yeah, thank you so much for coming to the session. I hope all of you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like the video, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you soon in the next class. Till then, bye bye, sayonara, khuda hafiz to all of you. Bye bye.